Camp Nou is delivering some truly spectacular surprises. What we're about to see is becoming impossible to ignore. The final radial beam is finally in place. The LED lights are making Camp Nou shine spectacularly. Major sections are rapidly taking shape, and the massive diamond structures are entering an exciting new phase of construction. From major structural milestones to the smallest finishing details, progress is unfolding everywhere. And some of today's developments could be among the most exciting we've seen yet. A historic beam that brings the stadium closer to completion. A single moment can define years of hard work, and today was one of those moments. The final radial beam of the stadium ring has been lifted into position, marking another historic step in this incredible transformation. Just one day after the installation of the final pillar, this massive structure has completed another crucial connection in the ring. With every beam placed, the stadium moves closer to achieving its final shape. The progress is impressive, and the dedication of the construction team continues to surprise everyone. What was once only a construction project is now transforming into a future landmark, bringing fans closer to experiencing the finished stadium. Another important area of the stadium is being closely monitored as workers continue preparing the final details. The corner section is steadily taking shape as the surrounding panels and structures continue to receive attention and progress moves forward. The most impressive moment came during the night tests, when the LED lights were activated for the first time. The changing colors and movement of the lights created a spectacular view, showing the incredible potential of the finished stadium. Even though only the first level was illuminated during these tests, the result was already stunning. Imagine the complete stadium with all panels illuminated and changing colors. It will create a truly unique atmosphere for future events. During the inspection, workers were also checking the LED system to ensure everything was working perfectly. The lighting progress in this corner area shows how quickly the stadium is moving toward its spectacular final appearance. In the Tribune area, the premium access is now entering its final stage. With the Gamper match on the 19th approaching, a dedicated team is working at full speed to complete the final finishing touches and prepare this exclusive access area for fans. Although a few details are still being refined, the progress is clearly visible, bringing these premium entrances closer to their finished appearance. Inside the new galleries along the stadium's connecting corridor, a new part of the project is beginning to take shape. Workers are making steady progress with walls, structural framing, insulation, and interior panels. Most of these spaces are expected to become shops and potentially restaurants, transforming previously unused areas into valuable new spaces and giving this part of the stadium a completely new purpose. At the North Gold Tribune corner, a new phase of construction is taking shape inside the stadium's entrance areas. Workers are installing the supporting structure across the ceilings, preparing this section for the future decorative panels. The amount of structural work already in place shows that this area is steadily moving toward its final appearance. Once the supports are ready, the decorative elements can begin transforming the Tribune sector, giving another part of the stadium the spectacular look seen throughout the rest of the project. Yesterday's half-finished sandwich panel install on the second level of the cores is now fully wrapped up, every panel in place overnight. Work continuing on top of them already with reinforcement bars going in. To the right though, the punch list is still long. Painting interior work. A worker inside the scaffolding handling finishing details most viewers will never see close-up. A lift platform crew works nearby on LED sections, unconnected to the panel team, but sharing the same stretch of structure. Formwork nearby didn't get cleared. Like expected, it's sitting in the middle of the shot, a small inconvenience that's actually a clue about where attention is going next. That formwork detour leads somewhere. The diamond structure that's been standing still for what feels like weeks is finally moving. Block walls are built, reinforcement is framed, and formwork is going up on top of it right now. Cable rolls are stacked everywhere nearby. And this corner still needs anchors and ceiling paint in sections that haven't been touched. But standing still doesn't apply here anymore. The diamond is officially active again. And everything nearby, the wiring, the reinforcement, the half-finished paint, is about to make a lot more sense once you see where the slats stand along the side area. Moving further toward the north goal section, another core area is receiving detailed interior finishing work. 2 elevated platforms are active as workers apply a white finishing compound to the walls and upper sections, while additional work continues across different levels of the structure. These detailed finishing touches are gradually shaping the appearance of this area, preparing the walls and upper sections for the next stage of architectural work and final interior finishes. Along the stadium's lateral side, a fresh detail is now beginning to reveal how the VIP ring could look in its finished form. One of the newly rendered walls has received a gray finish, offering an early glimpse of the color and style that may be used across the surrounding VIP ring areas. At the same time, more of the remaining gaps along the lateral section are being filled with ceramic slats, bringing this area closer to a complete and polished appearance. With the upper part of the second core also receiving its final architectural elements, the lateral side of the stadium is becoming more impressive with every new detail. One of the most impressive scenes around the stadium is now coming from the exterior panels, where workers are carefully cleaning the ceramic slats one by one, preparing them to shine at their best. The difference is already becoming visible as the clean sections reveal the beautiful colors, curves, and flowing design of the stadium's outer surface. With the LED lighting system installed above, these panels are set to create an even more spectacular atmosphere once the lights are fully activated. Perhaps the biggest surprise comes from one of the stadium's distinctive diamond-shaped structures, where construction activity has intensified dramatically. Workers are building concrete block walls inside, while new support pillars are being added to shape the structure. Despite being one of the later diamond structures to rise, progress here is moving quickly, with teams working from both sides. Its size and rapid development suggest that this structure could play an important role in the stadium's future facilities. From this elevated viewpoint, the remarkable progress across the stadium is becoming impossible to ignore. The north goal cores are moving closer to completion, while finishing work around the first VIP ring and lateral sections continues to add more detail. With every passing day, this panoramic view highlights just how rapidly the project is advancing. Different sections are now taking on their final shape, bringing the entire stadium closer to its spectacular future appearance. Construction activity remains visible throughout the second tier as crews continue completing architectural and structural details. Work is progressing around the spectator circulation areas while finishing operations continue along the seating bowl and adjacent structural elements. With more sections reaching completion, the second tier is becoming increasingly refined and is now transitioning from major construction toward its final finishing stages. The VIP ring continues to make steady progress as construction enters an advanced interior finishing phase. Workers are installing additional partition walls, fitting new access doors, and completing drywall systems throughout the hospitality areas. At the same time, interior wall surfaces are receiving their finishing treatments, clearly showing the transition from structural construction to premium interior fit-out. Finishing work continues across the seating bowl, where additional lighting fixtures are being installed along the upper levels of the stadium. Crews are also sealing the joints between the pre-cast concrete seating sections and completing surface finishing works that will prepare the stands for their final architectural elements. These activities are gradually transforming the seating areas into their completed appearance. The third tier continues to evolve as workers remove the remaining temporary scaffolding and construction supports used during the cantilever works. With more temporary structures disappearing, the completed concrete framework is becoming fully visible, revealing the final shape of the upper seating bowl. Finishing works also remain active across the third tier, bringing this section of the stadium another step closer to completion. And with that, we come to the end of another incredible Camp Nou update. What we've seen today is only adding to the excitement surrounding this extraordinary transformation. The journey is becoming more exciting with every new update, and the next chapter could bring even more surprises. Until then, Camp Nou continues to capture everyone's attention.